Have you ever sat down at breakfast, staring at your usual bowl of cereal, and wondered if there's something better out there, something that could totally transform your mornings, your health, and maybe even your mood for the rest of the day? Well, let me tell you what I wish I knew at breakfast years ago. The humble avocado is a total game changer. It's not just a trendy toast topping or a millennial meme, it's a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a permanent spot on your breakfast table. Instead of reaching for that same old sugary cereal that leaves you hungry an hour later, imagine starting your day with something that's not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. Avocados are like the low-key superheroes of the food world. They might not wear capes, but they sure do swoop in to save your health in more ways than you can imagine. So, why should you make avocados a daily habit? Let's break it down. Number 1, avocados are absolutely packed with healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats. These are the good guys, the kind your heart absolutely loves. Unlike the saturated fats found in processed foods, these healthy fats help lower bad cholesterol and support overall cardiovascular health. They're like a little love letter to your heart with every bite. Plus, these fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, making every meal more nutritious. Number 2, fiber. Avocados are absolute fiber bombs. Just one avocado can provide up to 14 grams of fiber, which is nearly half your daily recommended intake. Fiber is essential for keeping your digestive system running smoothly, preventing constipation, and feeding the good bacteria in your gut. A happy gut means a happier you, with more energy and better overall health. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to feel lighter and more comfortable throughout the day? Number 3, hello glowing skin. If you've ever wondered how to get that natural, radiant glow, look no further than avocados. They're loaded with skin-boosting vitamins like vitamin E and vitamin C, which help protect your skin from damage, keep it hydrated, and support collagen production. Some people even use avocado as a face mask for an instant moisture boost. So, whether you eat it or wear it, avocado is your skin's new best friend. Number 4, potassium power. Most people think of bananas when they hear potassium, but did you know avocados actually have more potassium per serving than bananas? Potassium is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure, supporting muscle function, and keeping your nerves firing properly. If you're active, stressed, or just want to keep your heart in top shape, avocados are a fantastic way to get more of this essential mineral. Number 5, avocados help you stay full longer. Thanks to their unique combination of healthy fats and fiber, they keep you satisfied and curb those mid-morning or afternoon snack attacks. Instead of reaching for chips or cookies, a little avocado can keep your hunger at bay and help you make healthier choices throughout the day. It's like having a secret weapon against cravings. Number 6, brain boost. The healthy fats in avocados aren't just good for your heart, they're also amazing for your brain. Your brain is made up of nearly 60% fat, and it needs the right kind to function at its best. Monounsaturated fats help improve memory, focus, and even mood. So, if you've got a big test, an important meeting, or just want to stay sharp, adding avocado to your meals can give your brain the boost it needs. Number 7, avocados can help lower bad cholesterol. Studies have shown that eating avocados regularly can reduce levels of LDL, the bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, the good cholesterol. This means better heart health, lower risk of heart disease, and a healthier you overall. It's like giving your arteries a little spring cleaning every time you enjoy an avocado. Number 8, craving something creamy? Avocados got your back, and you don't have to feel guilty about it. Unlike heavy creams or processed dips, avocado gives you that rich, satisfying texture, with none of the unhealthy fats or additives. You can blend it into smoothies, mash it into dips, or even use it as a substitute for butter or mayo in recipes. It's the ultimate, guilt-free indulgence. Number 9, immune system support. Avocados are a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage and supports a strong immune system. Especially during cold and flu season, or when you're feeling run down, adding avocado to your meals can give your body the extra defense it needs to stay healthy and energized. Number 10, versatility. Avocados aren't just for toast. You can add them to smoothies for a creamy texture, blend them into soups, toss them in salads, or even bake them into brownies for a healthy twist on dessert. Their mild flavor and creamy consistency make them the perfect addition to both sweet and savory dishes. The possibilities are endless, and you'll never get bored experimenting with new avocado recipes. And number 11, let's be honest, eating avocados just makes you feel a little bit fancy. There's something about slicing into a perfectly ripe avocado, arranging it on your plate, and knowing you're treating yourself to something special. Whether you're at a trendy brunch spot or just making breakfast at home, avocados add a touch of elegance and luxury to any meal. It's self-care, but make it delicious. So, the next time you're at the grocery store and you spot those beautiful green avocados, don't hesitate, grab a few. They're not just a food trend, they're a smart, tasty investment in your health and happiness. Whether you're a busy student, a working professional, or just someone who loves good food, avocados fit perfectly into any lifestyle. If you learned something new, or you're excited to try more avocado recipes, smash that like button and subscribe for more tasty hacks. Let's make healthy eating fun, delicious, and a little bit fancy, one avocado at a time. Stay tuned for more surprising food facts and easy kitchen tips that'll make every meal a celebration.